What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up affiliate marketing for Temu on Pinterest. So what that means is that you can use affiliate links to promote Temu products on Pinterest, and in that process you will get like a commission for each time a person buys the product from your link. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need two things. You'll need a Pinterest account and a Temu account. And both are really easy to set up and straightforward and are free. So go to temu.com and create your free account. And on Temu you will find lots of great products you can drop ship, or you can use them to list on Pinterest, or use your affiliate link for these products to add the link on Pinterest, and the customer will then buy the product from your link and you'll get a commission and they will get discount. So this is pretty cool. Now, to start setting up the affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you need to go to the very bottom and here click on Affiliate and Influencer Program. Click on it, and here you will unlock the ways to earn benefit. And once you share your link, you'll earn up to 100,000 per month, and you can monetize your content to get free products if you want to. Now here you have two options. You have the affiliate program, where you basically like share the links for the products on social media, and when someone buys the product through your link, you'll get a commission. And you have the influencer program. So if you're an influencer and you have lots of followers, you can get like free products to review them and encourage people to buy them. Now we are interested in the affiliate program. So here they give you some reasons why you join and some benefits. You'll get up to $5 million of commissions, and you'll get up to €3 bonus for each new download and login. And you'll get up to 20% commission for the products that the customers buy. And you'll get up to 30% off, and the customer will get up to 30% off using your referral code. And now these are some frequently asked questions, and here you can click on sign up to affiliate now. You can sign up here to the affiliate program, and here they tell you that unfortunately it's not available for my country at the moment. However, if you do sign up, okay, so they tell me that it's not available for my country. However, once you sign up to the affiliate program, you'll get your own affiliate link and your own code that you can share to earn commissions once someone buys from this link. Now, this is the Temu part. We've done it. And if you go to Temu here, you'll get lots of free products. Now let's select a product that you want to promote on Pinterest. Now let's say I like this smartwatch, or actually this mortar and pestle, okay, this garlic crusher, or this like drone. There are lots of great products. Let's promote this drone. So you see that here this drone is like 25 euros, which is a great price. And here you get some features of the drone with camera, of course, and you have some color variations and some information and so on. So what you want to do is create a pin. Simply create a pin on Pinterest using and add like a photo of the drone, and in the description or in the link you'll paste your affiliate link, and once the customer clicks on the link to buy the product, you will get a commission if they successfully complete the process. Now, the benefit of Pinterest is that it's completely anonymous. You don't have to paste or share anything on your own personal social media. Pinterest is a great way to reach lots of new customers. You can also, instead of viewing the products yourself, you can go to the best sellers to view some products. And as you can see here, the drone is amongst the best seller, and you can choose here within the last 7 days to make sure that this product is still a bestseller, it's still trending. And here let's click on this drone once again. As you can see, the description is the same. Now I'm convinced that let's close this page. I'm convinced that I want to promote this drone. So let's click on it to open the product page. Let's select a good image, and you can right click on the image, save image as. And now you want to hop on to, okay, let's save it. Now you want to hop on to Pinterest. You want to click on create, and here choose the file. Let's upload the image that you downloaded, the one with the drone. And here You can add the title, or to better get a catchy title, let's go ahead and duplicate this tab and search on Pinterest and see what people are searching for when they want drone. So let's say drone camera. Okay, drone camera videos, photos, logo, background, and so on. So nothing too like catchy about drone camera products. So let's simply delete this duplicated tab, and here let's say drone camera or HD drone camera. And here in the description you want to enter as many details as possible. You want to describe your product. So high resolution, for example, drone camera. And one thing to note is that you have to mention in the description that this is an affiliate product. Otherwise, Pinterest might delete the pen, or even worse, disable your account. So like state, this is an affiliate product. Okay. And now in the link you want to paste the like affiliate link that you get once you sign up to the program on Temu, the affiliate program. And here on a board you can choose a board, or you can create a board to add the pin to. And here in the tag, let's add like camera. Okay, let's add drone. Okay, let's add photography. Photography. And now here you want to add as many like keywords as possible. Photography, simply photography, nature photography. Okay, and here you get more options. If you want to, you can allow people to comment and show similar products. And once your pin is ready, you can click on publish, and people can now find your pin in the search and view it, and it gets like it goes public. And once someone likes this product and decides to click on the affiliate link and goes to this product and buys it, they will get a commission, as well as you are getting you will get a commission, sorry, as well as they're getting like discounts. So one thing I forgot to mention is that you get a code, and if the client uses this code, they'll get like a percent off, and you can mention that in your description and add the code that Temu provides you. And make sure also to choose trending products and bestsellers to better increase your chances of the customers getting it, because trending products are sought after by more people. And of course, the more people who buys your product, the more profit you are going to make. So that's a great thing to keep in mind. Now that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to set up Temu affiliate marketing with Pinterest.